Welcome to episode 763, Timothy Springer, Harvard scientist turned billionaire. This is an outline of episode 763, part 1, the biography of Tim Springer. Part 2, the 5 lessons of Tim Springer. There are 2 reasons we study Timothy Springer. First, he's an immunology professor and a serial entrepreneur. Second, he became billionaire after he turned an initial $5 million investment into $870 million in just 10 years. Let us meet Timothy Springer.
Follow your dreams. I think the only way you can be successful in research is if you love it. I think my legacy will live on in several ways. One is the use of antibodies to explore functionally important biological pathways and use them to develop therapeutics. And I actually am helping in a personal way to get that going by.
He was born in Fort Benning, Georgia in 1948.
Science today. And I started out, as one of 6 kids growing up in California. Worked as a VISTA volunteer on the Yamba Shoshone Reservation in Nevada. I helped the tribal council draft resolutions that were sent to senators. I helped them get a road paved so a bus could take students over a mountain pass in the wintertime, so they didn't have to live away from home to go to high school.
After that, he spent 3 years at University of California, Berkeley, and earned a Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry in 1971. From 1971 to 1976, he earned PhD at Harvard University under Professor Jack Strominger. Strominger is amazing in that now, at age 93, he's still getting grants to do research from NIH. He spent 1977 doing postdoc work with Cesar Milstein at Cambridge University. In 1984, Cesar Milstein would win the Nobel Prize in Medicine. He is the father of antibodies. He would become professor of immunology at Harvard Medical School. Next, how he made $100 million during the dot-com. In 1993, he founded a biotech company. He sold it for $635 million. Part 2, 5 lessons of Timothy Springer. Lesson 1, he is an inventor.
The body of work I'm being recognized for is the discovery of adhesion molecules and homing molecules on lymphocytes. These molecules allow white blood cells to do their job to recognize foreign antigen, to mount immune responses to pathogens like bacteria and viruses.
Lesson 2, from discovery to drug.
But it's really special to make a discovery into a drug. I've done that on a number of times with antibodies I've made or molecules I've discovered, and I've started companies that have created new drugs.
Lesson 3, he's a serial entrepreneur. These are the companies he founded: Leukocyte, Scholar Rock, Morphic Therapeutic, Moderna. Lesson 4, from $100 million to $1 billion. Thanks to the test trial success of Moderna's coronavirus vaccine in May 2020, Timothy Springer's net worth now exceeds $1 billion. Bob Langer, professor at MIT and co-founder of Moderna, so come close to becoming a billionaire. Lesson 5, follow your dream.
Follow your dreams. I think the only way you can be successful in research is if you love it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. Wishing everyone peace and prosperity.